Bang makasaup kareng apektadong miyembro ning transport sector king balena ning Minalin, may nga kuya i-Councilor Ses Mercado na i-donate ing kayang government salary kareti. King kayang privilege speech inyang regular session ning Sangguniang Bayan inyang March 17. Sinabi ng Mercado na bistamat limitado mo ing kayang sweldo, panikwana ng makasaup kareng todong miyapektuan.
I would like to announce that for the time being, with fuel prices remain high, I will be allocating my government salary to provide free fuel assistance to sectors in our community who are most affected by this crisis. This is my small way of easing the burden of those who rely on fuel every single day to earn a living. However, I would like to make a clear disclaimer. This assistance is limited. The amount I can provide is only small, and unfortunately, I will not be able to accommodate everyone. Because of this, our priority will be given to those who are truly in need, particularly those whose livelihoods depend heavily on transportation and fuel.
Kabilang kareng target a benepisyaryo, yapin reng delivery riders, reng mamasadang tricycle at reng mamasadang jeep, abalaw sa mamarap king kapag subukan, king mitata sa gastos king operasyon. Dagdag na pa ning konsehal, makipag-ugnayan niya naman kareng local gasoline stations king Minalin, bang mas malagwa ing pamamye king gas subsidy para kareng kwalipikadong benepisyaryo. Kapag nasaning inisyatibong iti, ing makapamyetang bingasaup at mabawas ing epekto ning balaw sa pamagtas ning presyo ning petrolyo king sektor ning transportasyon king balen. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balitang tutuking balen, susuyo.